Hello everyone. Our today's topic is about ozone depletion. This presentation is made by Priyanshi Panasia. So everyone knows about ozone. The ozone layer is a region in the Earth's stratosphere that contains high concentrations of ozone and protects the Earth from the harmful UV rays of the sun. Ozone layer depletion is the gradual thinning of the Earth's ozone layer in the upper atmosphere caused due to the release of chemical compounds containing gases, bromine or chlorine from industries or other human activities. Causes of ozone layer. So ozone layer depletion is a major concern and is associated with a number of factors. The main causes responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer are listed below. Chlorofluorocarbons, the CFCs, are the main cause of ozone layer depletion. These are released by solvents, spray aerosols, refrigerators, air conditioners, etc. The molecules of chlorofluorocarbons in the stratosphere are broken down by ultraviolet radiations and release chlorine atoms. These atoms react with ozone and destroy it. Unregulated rocket launches. Researcher says that unregulated launching of rockets results in much more depletion of the ozone layer than the CFCs do. If not controlled, this might result in a huge loss of the ozone layer by the year 2050. Nitrogenous compounds. The nitrogenous compounds such as nitrous oxide are highly responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer. Natural gases causes. The ozone layer has been found to be depleted by certain natural processes such as sunspots and stratospheric winds, but it does not cause more than 1 to 2% of the ozone layer depletion. The volcanic eruptions are also responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer. Ozone layer depleting substances are the substances such as chlorofluorocarbons, halogens, carbon tetrachloride, hydrofluorocarbons, etc. that are responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer. Following is the list of some main ozone depleting substances and the sources from where they are released. You can see in this table CFCs, halogens, carbon tetrachloride, methyl chloroform, hydrofluorocarbons, and sources in front of them. So effects of ozone layer. The depletion of the ozone layer has harmful effects on the environment. Human will be directly exposed to the harmful UV rays of the sun due to the depletion of the ozone layer. This might result in serious health issues among humans such as skin diseases, cancer, sunburns, cataract, quick aging, and weak immune system. Effects of animals. Direct exposure to UV rays leads to skin and eye cancer in animals. Effects on the environment. So strong ultraviolet rays may lead to minimal growth, flowering and photosynthesis in plants. The forest also have to bear the harmful effects of the UV rays. Effects on marine life. Planktons are greatly affected by the exposure to harmful UV rays. These are higher in the aquatic food chain. If the planktons are destroyed, the organisms present in the food chain are also affected. Solution. The depletion of the ozone layer is a serious issue and various programs have been launched by the government of various countries to prevent it. However, steps should be taken at the individual level as well to prevent the depletion of the ozone layer. Following are some points that would help in preventing this problem at a global level. avoid using ODS, reduce the use of ozone depleting substances. Example, avoid the uses of CFCs in refrigerators and air conditioners, replacing the halon-based fire extinguishers, etc. Minimize the use of vehicles. The vehicles emit a large amount of greenhouse gases that lead to global warming as well as ozone depletion. Therefore, the use of vehicles should be minimized as much as possible. Use eco-friendly cleaning products. Most of the cleaning products have chlorine and bromine, releasing chemicals that find a way into the atmosphere and affect the ozone layer. These should be substituted with natural products to protect the environment. Use of nitrous oxide should be prohibited. The government should take action and prohibit the use of harmful nitrous oxide that is adversely affecting the ozone layer. People should be made aware of the harmful effects of nitrous oxide and the products emitting the gas so that its use is minimized at the individual level as well. So thank you very much. We will